Good morning to the criminal community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Lowayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, today is another wonderful day, another wonderful Monday. It is a quick reminder for every one of us to know that today is another day for our mass adoption training, a time of meeting with the creator of TBC himself, a time of coming together to share and to learn and to get trained from our able admin. You can come and ask different questions that pertains to policy making in regards to TBC. So guys, don't forget 4 p.m. West African time. Make it a date. Come and learn from the TBC admin. It has always been a wonderful day, a wonderful meeting. So guys, looking forward to see you by 4 p.m. West African time for another mass adoption training today. And don't forget, we shall also be having it on Wednesday too. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful and a lovely day. Bye for now.